In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Squarespace URL. Whether you're new to Squarespace or just need a refresher, this guide will take you through the steps to locate your website's URL efficiently. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. To begin with, you need to navigate to Squarespace. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Squarespace website. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your account information. This will bring you to the main dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your Squarespace sites. Once you're in, look for the Get Started button. This is your gateway to all the Squarespace tools and features. Click on it, and it will guide you to the list of websites you currently have within your account. If you have multiple sites, make sure you select the one you want to work with today. After selecting your website, you'll be directed to its specific management interface. Here, you should find the Settings panel. This is an area that gives you access to a myriad of options to tweak and customize your site's back-end settings. Locate this panel, as it will be crucial for the steps that follow. Now, once you're in the Settings panel, there's a couple of ways to proceed. You can scroll through the list of options until you find what you're looking for. Or, to save time, use the search bar feature within the panel. What you're looking for specifically is the Domains section. This is where all of your domain-related settings are housed. Inside the Domains section, keep an eye out for the primary domain. This primary domain is essentially your website's unique URL. It's the address people will use to visit your site. If you've already published your site and linked a custom domain to it, this will appear here. On the other hand, if your site is not yet published, don't worry. Squarespace provides a default URL for unpublished sites, which follows the format of your sitename.squarespace.com. This is a temporary URL that allows you to access and share your site internally while it's still in development. And there you have it. By accessing your Squarespace settings, navigating to the Domains section, and identifying your primary domain, you've successfully located your website's URL. Whether you have a custom domain or are using a default Squarespace URL temporarily, knowing where to find your URL is essential for managing your online presence effectively. Remember, having your URL readily available is crucial for marketing your site, sharing with friends or collaborators, or even troubleshooting with customer support. With this knowledge, you're well on your way to mastering your Squarespace site management. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy website building.